Here's another build from Concession Nation, and this one is for stacked food truck. This is an 8x20 food trailer, but don't let the size fool you. This thing is packed with cooking power. We're walking in from the rear entrance. Right away, you've got cold storage in the back, a full-size single-door refrigerator, and a full-size single-door freezer, so the crew can grab product and get straight to the line. Now we move into the cooking zone. This is where Stacked starts to come alive. You've got a deep fryer for the crispy stuff, a single full-size convection oven, a griddle for that flat-top action, and a broiler to finish food with heat and texture, work tables, and a warming drawer. Above the cook line, you've got a 12-foot hood with fire suppression for safety compliance. Across the line, the support side is ready to work. There's a sandwich prep station, a steam table. That means the team can prep, hold, plate, and keep the food moving without wasting steps. Now, let's talk power and comfort. This build has 8 batteries, a 10-kilowatt inverter, 6 solar panels, a generator setup, LED lighting, and a mini-split air conditioner heat pump. On the customer side, Stacked gets a clean service window with an LED-lighted marquee, plus a regular 50-inch TV with an awning and exterior speakers. So now you've got the full picture. Cold storage in the back, cooking power in the middle, prep and holding right where the crew needs it, and a customer side built to grab attention. This 8x20 food trailer is built to cook, serve, and show up strong. If you want a food trailer built around your menu and workflow, request a quote.